Hi everyone students, welcome to our maths channel. In earlier classes, definite integrals topic, total parts 5 completed. Now today last part of the definite integrals topic, part 6. I will explain part 6. Okay. Before going to explain the 7 marks question, 9th one, which is the last one in 7 marks questions. Very important question this one is also. Before going to explain that one, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please share to your friends and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Right. Now, integration 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Okay? We need to solve this one. In order to solve here we use the substitution method to solve this one. Okay? Here sin x plus cos x dx equal dx by 9 plus 16 sin 2x given problem. So that's why in order to solve this one, let sin x minus cos x equal to t. Assumption sin x minus cos x equal to t. Why? Because if you differentiate both sides of this equation, sin x differentiation, cos x differentiation, not integration, right? Minus cos x differentiation sin x. That's why if you differentiate this one, we get sin x plus cos x. From that we can simplify easily. That's why we take here sin x minus cos x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. Sin x differentiation cos x minus cos x differentiation minus sin x equal to dt by dx. Okay, minus into minus plus. So sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x into dx equal to d. Okay, whenever we use the substitution method, don't forget to change the limits also. Lower limit and also upper limit. What is lower limit here? Lower limit is 0. Okay, so lower limit x equal to 0. Assumption t equal to sin x minus cos x. Okay, sin x value 0 now. Sin 0 minus cos 0. Okay, sin 0 0 minus cos 0 value 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. T value minus 1. Okay, now upper limit. Okay, what is upper limit here? Pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4. Assumption t equal to sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. In the place of x substitute pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4. Okay. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root. Minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 cancel. T value 0. Okay, right? Here sin x plus cos x dx equal to we get to dt. No problem. Lower limit x equal to 0, that becomes t equal minus 1. Upper limit x equal pi by 4, that becomes t equal to 0. Next here we have sin 2x. So we need to change the sin 2x value in terms of t. Okay, that's why here sin x minus cos x equal to t now, squaring both sides, that means sin x minus cos x whole square equal to t square. Why are you squaring both sides? Means here sin x plus cos x dx we substitute dt. Limits are also changed. Then what about sin 2x? That's why we are finding sin 2x value in terms of t. So in order to get the sin 2x value in terms of t, take the assumption and squaring both sides. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square sin square x plus b square cos square x minus 2ab 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. Is it clear? Right. Now sin square x plus cos square x value 1. First trigonometric identity 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. That is the formula for sin 2x. Okay, sin 2x. Sin 2x equal to t square. We need to find sin 2x now. That's why minus sin 2x taken into the opposite side plus sin 2x plus t square taken into the opposite side minus t square. So 1 minus t square equal to sin 2x. So from this we get sin 2x equal to 1 minus t square. In the substitution sin 2x value 1 minus t square. Okay, now continuation. So here 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus sin 16 sin 2x now. So integration here there is no enough space for that one. That's why I am not this one. Okay. Now take the problem. Integration 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx equal to integration 0. Lower limit x equal to 0 becomes minus 1. Upper limit pi by 4 becomes 0. Minus 1 to 0. 1 by 9 plus 16 into sin 2x. Sin 2x value we get 1 minus t square. What is the remaining term here? Sin x plus cos x into dx. We get sin x plus cos x into dx value dt. Understood clearly? Right. Now, continuation. Integration minus 1 to 0. 1 by 9 plus 16 1 yeah 16 minus 16 t square equal to dt. Okay, right. Here minus 1 to 0. Here only write directly 16 1 is 16, 9 plus 16 25. 25 minus 16 into t square 16 t square. Okay, in order to solve this one, okay, 16 common from the denominator. What is the remaining term? 16 into 25 by 16 minus t square into d. Okay, 16 is the constant now, taken outside of the integration symbol. Then what is the constant here? 1 by 16. Okay, the 16 in the denominator, don't write in the numerator. Okay, clearly minus 1 to 0. 1 by 25 by 16 can be written as 5 by 4 whole square minus t square into dt. Is it clear? Right. Now this is in the form of, here we use this in the form of integration 1 by a square minus x square. Okay. What is the formula for that one? Integration 1 by a square minus x square dx. What is the formula for this one? 1 by 2a log of a minus x by, sorry, a minus x na, a plus x by a minus x plus. This is the formula which we used in this way. Okay? That's. In order to complete the solution, continuation 1 by 16. 1 by 16 into integration minus, sorry, this is directly in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by 2a, a value 5 by 4. So 1 by 2, a value 5 by 4. Okay, log of a plus x, a value 5 by 4 now. 5 by 4 plus t by 5 by 4 minus t. Okay, a minus x value t now. Within the limits minus 1 to 0. Okay, right. Now 4 1 ya 4 4 ja, 4 2 ja 8 8 5 ja 40. 1 by 40. Okay, simplify this one. Log of, do the LCM. In other, do the LCM. 5 by 4. What is the LCM in the numerator? 4. 5 plus 4t. LCM in the denominator? 4. 5 minus 4t. Within the limits minus 1 to 0. 4 cancel. Okay. So 1 by 40 integration log of 5 plus 4t by 5 minus 4t. Now substitute the limits. Okay. So 1 by 40 into, first substitute the upper limit. Log of, t value upper limit is 0 now. At the place of t substitute 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 minus, here 5 minus 4 into 0, again 0. Minus log of 5 plus 4 into t value minus 1 by 5 minus 4 into minus 1. Okay? Right. Now 1 by log 5 by 5. 5 by cancel, log 1 minus log of 5 plus into minus, minus 5 minus 4, 1 minus into minus plus 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 40 log 1 value 0 minus log of 1 by 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Here 1 by 40 minus of 3 square taken into the numerator, that becomes 3 power minus 2. 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n equal to a power minus. That's why 3 power minus 2. 1 by 40 into log a power n. What is the formula? Very good. A power n. Log a power n equal to m into log a now. So already minus is there. A power n value minus 1. Minus 2 log of 3. Okay. Now 2 1 220. Final answer 1 by 20 log 3, which is the value of integration 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x into dx. Okay, that's the end of the solution. Okay, here this one is very important. Here total 9 questions completed in definite integral. Actually, some more problems are reduction formulas are also there. Reduction formulas are also important for IP, but in this year, in this academic year 2020-21, our intermediate board reduced the 30% syllabus. Okay, in the 30% syllabus we have that reduction formulas in definite integrals. Okay, reduction formulas are also reduced from indefinite integrals. That means previous chapter also. That's why I doesn't explain the integral reduction formulas in the previous chapter also. I am also not explaining the reduction formulas in this chapter also, because of that is reduced syllabus. Understood clearly? That's why this one is the last question in 7 marks question. Okay, right on. Yes, students, next continuation. 4 marks questions. Okay, so in this chapter 2 marks questions completed, 7 marks question completed. Now 4 marks question. Okay, right. In this 4 marks question, first one, integration 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 plus 5 cos x dx. Can you observe once what you understand here? If you neglect the limits, this is in the form of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Which method? Yes, in integration 4th method. Okay, in 4th method process solve this one. After get the integration, substitute the intervals. Okay, then we get the solution. So what is the process in method 4? Very good. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Right. So in solution, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, we get dx equal to very 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, actually tan x by 2 differentiation secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2, that equal to dt by dx. After simplification, finally we get dx equal to 2 dt. I am writing directly because of so many problems completed on this model. Okay, this one is the 4 marks question. If you continue each and every step, it's a very lengthy. Okay, clearly understood. So many problems completed on this method. Not only in integration chapter, same models are continuing in the definite integral also. That's why I am writing directly. Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Very good. Here we have cos x now. Cos x in the terms of tan x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That's why directly cos x value, very good. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here substitution method na, that's why change the limits also. Don't forget that one. Okay. First step, lower limit. Okay. What is lower limit here? 0. X equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0. T equal to tan x by 2. 0 by 2. Tan 0. Tan 0 equal to 0. Lower limit completed. Now upper limit. Upper limit is pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. Okay. T equal to tan x by 2. Tan pi by 2 by 2. 1 by a by b. 1 by b. 1 by a by b. 1 by a into b. Pi by 2 into 2. Pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value 1. Tan 45 equal to 1 now. Now take the actual problem. Integration 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 4 plus 5 cos x dx. Now substitute all values. Lower limit 0. That becomes 0. Next upper limit pi by 2 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 5 into cos x. Cos x in terms of t 1 minus t square by 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx. Dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, right. Now in the continuation, integration 0 to 1 by, what is the LCM? 1 plus t square is the LCM. Okay, so 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 1 minus t square. Okay, into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay, integration 0 to 1 by 4 1 4 plus 4 into t square, 4t square, 5 1 5 into minus t square minus 5t square into 2t. Here 2 constant now, right outside of the integration. 2 into integration 0 to 1 by 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 4t square minus 5t square equal to minus t square into d. Okay. Now 2 into integration 0 to 1 by 9 can be written as 3 square minus t square into d. Okay. Right. So continuation, integration 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 plus 5 cos x dx. Okay, right. So here this is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by a square minus x square? Very good. 1 by 2a. Here I am using this formula. I am writing here integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus. Okay. Now substitute the values. In the place of a, here already we have 2 as a product of integration. Now 1 by 2a value 3 here. Okay. Log of a plus x, 3 plus x by a minus x, 3 minus x within the limits 0 to 1. Okay. 2 cancel. Continuation 1 by 3 into, first substitute the upper limit. 1 by 3 plus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2 minus lower limit 3 plus 0 3, lower limit 0 now, by 3 minus 0 3. Okay. 2 1 2 2 1 by 3 log 2 minus 3 1 3 1 cancel. Okay. log 1 value 0. Log 2 minus 0, log 2. 1 by 3 log 2. Okay, which is the integration of 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 4 plus 5 cos x dx. That's the end of the solution. Okay, write down. Okay, students, next continuation. Second question in 4 marks. Same model, previous model. But the difference is in the previous problem 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 4 plus 5 cos x. But here 0 to pi. That's the difference. Clearly, this is in the form of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. That's why method 4 in integration. So, in order to solve this one, substitution method, what is the process? Yes, very good. Let tan x by 2 equal to tan x by 2 equal to t. Okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Tan x by 2 differentiation, very good. Secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2, that equal to dx by dt by dx. From that directly, what is the dx value? Very good. 2 dt by 1 plus t square. What is the cos x value? Cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Is it clear? Very good. Why? Because 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Tan x by 2 value our assumption t. That's good. Clear? Right. Next, lower limit. What is lower limit here? X equal to 0. But our assumption t equal to tan x by 2 now. T equal to tan x by 2, 0 by 2. Tan 0, 0. Okay? Lower limit t equal to 0. Okay? Next, upper limit. Upper limit. What is upper limit? Pi. Okay? X equal to pi. T equal to tan x by 2. That means pi by 2. What is the tan pi by 2? Tan 90 equal to, very good, infinity. Tan 90 equal to infinity. Now take the problem. Integration 0 to pi 1 by 3 plus 2 cos x dx. Okay. Integration 0. Lower limit 0 becomes 0 only. Here pi. X equal to pi, t equal to infinity. So 0 to infinity 1 by 3 plus 2 into cos x. Cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx. Dx value 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now integration 0 to infinity 1 by, do the LCM, 3 into 1 plus t square plus 2 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay. Integration 0 to infinity 1 by 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 into t square 3t square 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 into t square 2t square remaining 2t. Here 2 constant now. So that's why right outside of the integration. That equal to 2 into integration 0 to infinity 3 plus 2 5. So that 5 can be written as root 5 whole square or not? Yes. Minus 3t square plus minus 2t square plus, okay, plus t square. Okay, no problem. This can be written as 3t square minus 2t square equal to t square. 3 plus 2 5, that can be written as root 5 whole square. Now this is in the form of, very good, this is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Good. So this is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square into dx. The formula for this one is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. So 2 into 1 by a value 5. Tan inverse of x, x means t, by a means root. Okay. integration 0 to infinity 2 by root 5 into tan inverse of, substitute upper limit, infinity by root 2, infinity, minus 0 by root 5. Sorry, here infinity by root 5, infinity only. Next, lower limit substitution, tan inverse of 0 by root 5, 0. Okay. So 2 by root 5 into tan inverse of infinity in terms of tan, very good, tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 0 in terms of tan 0. Okay. So 2 by root 5 into tan inverse of tan pi by 2, only pi by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel pi by 2 minus tan inverse of tan cancel 0. Okay. Here 2 into root 5 into pi by 2. 2 cancel, pi by root 5. Okay. So final answer pi by root 5. That's the end of the solution, which is integration 0 to pi 1 by 3 plus 2 na? Yes. 3 plus 2 cos x into dx equal to pi by root 5. Is it clear? Previous, again compare with the previous problem, just the difference is pi by 2. If pi by 2 is there, in assumption tan x by 2 equal to t na, so lower tan pi by 4, we get tan pi by 4 1, but here pi, that's why tan pi by 2, why tan x by 2 is our assumption, so infinity. Okay, that's the main difference. If you understood the difference, then you easily do the problem. Okay, right now. Hey students, next continuation. Evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. This one is also 4 marks question. In order to solve this one, let a equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. Here use the formula. What does that means? Integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to, what is the formula for that one? Integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay. In long question, every long question we use that formula. Again use the formula 0 to a value pi by 2 here. That's why a minus x means pi by 2 minus x. In the place of x, replace the pi minus x value. Okay. Integration 0 to pi by 2 a into sine of pi by 2 minus x plus b into cos of pi by 2 minus x whole by sine of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, which is the value of a. Now continuation, a equal to 0 to pi by 2 as is integration 0 to pi by 2 a into sine of pi by 2 means 90, sine of 90 minus theta, very good, cos 2. So that's when a cos x plus, here also b into cos of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, all silver becomes in first quadrant, all is positive, 90 odd, that's why cos changes as sine. That's why b sin x. Here also sine of 90 minus theta, cos theta plus cos of 90 minus theta, sine. Okay, dx. Okay, take this is the second equation. This one is first equation. In order to get the solution, add these two equations, LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. Do 1 plus 2. Okay. So a plus a equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. Yeah. A sin x plus b cos x by sin x plus cos x dx plus integration 0 to pi by 2 a cos x a cos x plus b sin x. A cos x plus b sin x by denominator cos x plus sin x dx. Okay. Now a plus a 2a integration 0 to pi by 2. Lower limits equal, upper limits equal. Okay. And denominators are also equal now because of sin x plus cos x is equal to the cos x plus sin x. That's why add the numerators. A sin x plus b cos x plus a cos x plus b sin x whole by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. Now integration 0 to pi by 2 a sin x a cos x. Okay. In the two terms. Okay. In other words, a sin x b sin x. In these two terms sin x is common now. So sin x is common. What is the remaining term? Here a, here plus a plus plus here b cos x a sin a cos x. In these two terms cos x is common. Remaining term b plus c whole by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. Now continuation integration 0 to pi by 2 a plus b coefficient for the both a plus b is common. A plus b is common. Remaining here sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x whole by sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x cancel. Remaining only a plus b. A plus b into 1, a plus b only now. So 2a equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 a plus b. A plus b dx. Here a plus b is constant. Integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? X. A plus b into x within the limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So a plus b into first substitute upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. So this one is 2a value. Only a equal product to 2 taken in the opposite side by pi by 2. 2 is 4. Pi by 4 into a plus b. Finally, actual question is a equal to from the first equation a equal to 0 to pi by 2. Yes, 0 to pi by 2. A sin x plus b cos x by sin x plus cos x dx equal to pi by 4 into a plus. That's the end of the solution. Write down. Any more doubts on this one? Okay, right? Here the long question form by integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. Right. Yes, students, next continuation in 4 marks question, fourth one. In the previous 3 problems completed, in the fourth one, here given integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay. In order to solve this one, let a equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay. Take this is the first equation. Okay. Here in the previous formula, in the previous problem, we use integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x. But here limits is 0 in the previous one. But here we have pi by 6 to pi by 3. For this one, we have another formula also, which I explained in the introduction class only. What does that means? Integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Just to verify once the first or second class. Yes. Okay. So integration a to b, a value pi by 6, b value pi by 3. So a plus b minus x dx. That's why integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 a plus b, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. So that's why square root of sine of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x by square root of sine of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus square root of cos x, cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x dx. Is it clear? Right? Now the continuation, a equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 6 30, pi by 3 60, 30 plus 16 90. 90 can be written as pi by 2. That's why square root of sine of pi by 2 minus x by square root of sine of pi by 2 minus x, because of here also pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x now, that's it, plus square root of cos of pi by 2 minus x into dx. Clear? Right. So integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 sine of 90 minus theta cos theta, that's why square root of cos x by sine of 90 minus theta cos theta, square root of cos x plus square root of cos of 90 minus theta sin theta, square root of sin x dx. Okay, this one second equation. Okay, in order to get the solution, do 1 plus 2. Okay, LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. A plus a equal to integration 0 pi by 6, pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sin x, square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx plus integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of cos x by square root of cos x plus square root of sin x dx. Okay, right? A plus a means 2a. Integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Limits are equal, denominators are also equal, that's why I add the numerators. So square root of sin x plus square root of cos x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Here 1 cancel, remaining integration 1. 2a integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 dx. Okay, what is the integration of 1? X within the limits pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay, substitute upper limit pi by 3 minus lower limit pi by 6. Okay, so do the LCM 6 2 pi minus pi, that equal to pi by 6, which is the value of 2a, but only a equal product to 2 taken in the opposite side by pi by 12. But actually from the first equation, a value integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay, pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx equal to pi by 2. That's the end of the solution. Right now, we have one more question on this model. Okay, students, next continuation, fifth question, which is the last question in 4 marks question, important one. Okay, so in order to solve this one, first let a equal to integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Take this is the first equation. Okay, here we use the formula. What does that means? Integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, here we need to use this one to solve this problem. Okay, so here a value minus pi by 2, b value plus pi by 2. So integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Use this one, integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, so cos x, cos of a plus b minus x. A value here, good, minus pi by 2. B value plus pi by 2. A plus b minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. Okay, a plus b minus x now, that's it. Whole by 1 plus e power x. In the place of x substitute a plus b minus x, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cancel, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cancel. What are the remaining terms? A equal to integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos of minus x. Okay, cos of minus x by 1 plus e power minus x dx. Okay, right. Integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos of minus theta, cos theta. Good. So that's why cos x by 1 plus e power minus x, 1 by a power minus n. That means a power minus n can be written as 1 by a power n. That's why this can be written as 1 by e power x. Not understood? So a power minus n, 1 by a power n. In the same way, e power minus x, 1 by a power x. Integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x by, do the LCM. E power x is the LCM. 1 into e power x, e power x. E power x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. 1 by a by b, b by a. That's why we get cos x into e power x by e power x plus 1 into dx, which is the value of a. Okay. So after getting this one, take this one is the second equation. In order to get the solution, do 1 plus 2. Okay. LHS to LHS. A plus a plus a equal to integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Numerator we have cos x by 1 plus e power x dx plus in the second equation RHS equal minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x into e power x by e power x plus 1. Cos x into e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Limits same, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, a plus a equal to 2a. Lower limits equal, upper limits equal. That's why add the function. Here denominators are also equal now. 1 plus e power x equal to e power x plus 1 now. That's why LCM 1 plus e power x. Add the numerators, cos x plus cos x into e power x dx. Okay, right. Next minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. In these two terms, cos x is common. So cos x into, here from this cos x is common, remaining term 1. Here plus cos x into e power x. Cos x is common, remaining e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x cancel. Now minus pi by 2 to pi. Integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Within the limits minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, substitute the limit. Sin pi by 2 minus sin of minus pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Sin pi by 2, sin 90, 2a equal to here. This one is 2a equal to. Finally 2a equal to sin pi by 2, sin 91 minus sin of minus theta, minus sin theta. So minus sin theta value pi by 2. Okay, minus into minus plus 1 plus sin 90 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2a equal to 2. 2 1 cancel. A equal to 1. From the first equation a equal to integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx equal to 1. That's the end of the solution. Okay, any more doubts on this one? It's very easy problem. Here remember the last two problems, that means fifth and fourth one. Here use the special formula integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That's the end of chapter also. Not today's class, this chapter also. I am not explaining each and every problem in exercise because of in this COVID time we have less time, very less time. In order to prepare the total maths, we have very less time. That's why I am explaining only examination point of view. Okay. So here in 4 marks question we have only 5, but actually in 4 marks question in the previous IPE examinations, intermediate public examinations, so reduction formulas, areas are also there. Most probably areas problem given in 4 marks, especially in these definite integrals. But 30% reducing syllabus in definite integrals. One is reduction formula, another one is areas. Okay, that's why syllabus is so much reduced. Understood clearly? So actual weightage of this chapter is 2 2 marks questions, that means 4 marks. 1 4 marks question means 4 marks. 1 7 marks question, that's 7. Okay, totally 15 marks. Okay, totally 15 marks covered. Okay, 99% in previous problems, in previous examination, these questions only repeated again and again. Okay, so prepare this one enough to get good marks. This syllabus is enough. Okay, if you have any doubt, please call me. Thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friend. Okay, I will explain next chapter, that means differential equations, in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.